Whether you're servicing, repowering, or buying a new boat, finding the right marine dealer is far more important than some people may think. Few do it better than one of Australia's largest Mercury dealers, Hitech Marine. This family-run business has been around for over 30 years. We're here with Rainier Best, the Operations Manager for Hitech Marine, a Perth and Sydney-based marine business. Rainier, this is an impressive operation. Can you tell us a little bit about how Hitech Marine came into being?
We came into being about 30 years ago as an automotive engine reconditioner, and about 20 years ago, by accident, the owners of the business bought a boat, discovered the costs of running the boat, and decided to enter the marine business.
A well-balanced engine is crucial to any boat package. How have you guys come to partner exclusively with Mercury?
Well, after some research, we found that Mercury offered the best overall package. Brand name was worldwide, well known. Their after-sales service and support, tech support, is fantastic. And the relationship we have with Mercury on a personal level is extremely strong. Their support for our dealership has been exceptional. And we really couldn't look past the total package that Mercury have offered us.
With the industry evolving at such a rapid pace, how do you guys keep up to date with the innovation coming out of Mercury?
Well, there's two ways really. Mercury, firstly, are very, very quick to respond with technical and service bulletins, which are distributed to all dealerships. We then pass that information on to our technicians and then ensure that the technicians have that knowledge. The other way we do it is through Mercury University, which is a university scenario set up by Mercury to qualify our mechanics in specific engine types. So for example, we do Verado qualifications, we do Mercruiser qualifications, and the Mercury University is set up to train our guys online. Our guys spend between 2 and 4 hours a week in their own time studying at Mercury University.
Working with Mercury, you obviously work very closely together, and walking around here there's a lot of awards. Can you tell us how they come about?
We were lucky enough to be the first winner of the Mercruiser Dealer of the Year nationally, so we haven't missed a year since 2006 in that award. What, in your opinion, has been the main driver behind Hitech Marine's success? I think the success of the business is based on a number of factors. The family environment we've created for the business, our attention to detail in our work, our exceptional customer service, our follow-up and customer service has always been strongly regarded. And we also have a relationship with the customer. It's not just a business deal, it's not just a sale for us, it's a relationship with those customers, and that I think is the secret behind Hitech Marine's success.
So come and visit the team at Hitech Marine. It's absolutely worth visiting an industry leader with years of experience to get the best service and the best deal.